In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Sheets shortcut in desktop in Windows PC. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop and any version of Windows like Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can create shortcut in just a few steps. Firstly, open Chrome browser and here in the search bar type Chrome semicolon / and apps. Then press enter. Here you will see these all applications. You can create shortcut for these applications. Just you have to right click on create shortcut. You can create shortcut for Gmail. Right click and create shortcut for Google Docs and YouTube. So right click and create shortcut. And here guys, we can see we can create shortcut in just one click for desktop start menu and taskbar. Click on create. So we can see we have this shortcut on desktop. Similar, we have the shortcut on taskbar and on start menu. You can delete shortcut. You can remove shortcut from taskbar, right click and unpin from taskbar. That's it. So thanks for watching.